Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can use an SVG icon in your ReactJS application. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, here you can see that here is my basic ReactJS project currently installed on my Windows 11 and which is running in my browser. So what I'm going to do, here you can see I have created a folder named components. I'm going to right click and going to create a new file, for example finegap-icon.jsx. Please note that there are multiple methods to use SVG in your ReactJS application, but I'm going to teach you one method. So now here I'm going to type constant app arrow function app is equal to, and here I'm going to type export default app. If you can see here, I have downloaded an SVG icon from the internet and opened it in my Visual Studio Code. Now I will cut this code from here, open my icon component, and inside this function, first of all, I will type return this bracket and div.app. Inside this, I'm going to paste that SVG part. Now this is our icon component and we have to import it in our app.js. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I will type import. You can use any name here like finegap icon from components, and here is my icon name. So that's it. Now I'm going to use this in my application like a proper component like this. And now if I refresh my page, you can see that here is my SVG icon. Now for example, you want to pass some props and you want to change some of its properties. How you will do that? That's pretty simple. First of all, I will type here like styling is equal to this, and for example I'm going to pass a object. So for example, first property I want to pass color. I will simply type here color and red. That's it. And now we have to receive these props inside our this icon component. So simply I will type here this object brackets and my prop name, which is styling. And now for example, I want to change its stroke color, which means this one. What I'm going to do, I will simply remove this black color and type here this bracket and styling dot color. You can see that its color is changed. Similarly, if you want to pass more than one prop, you can do this like width and colon 18 pixel, and similarly if I copy this from here and you want to change here like this, the same method styling dot width. So now you can see that the width have been decreased. Let me type here 108 pixels so you can see that. So friends, this was the method to import SVG icon in your ReactJS application. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.